To reinforce the concepts we've discussed in this module, we'll now move into a practical, hands-on exercise using Excel. The purpose of this exercise is to show that improving data quality does not require advanced tools or technical skills. With a few simple steps and good habits, you can significantly improve the usability of your data. Exercise objectives. In this exercise, you will learn how to identify common data quality issues in a real dataset. Apply basic data cleaning tools available in Excel. Prepare data so it is ready for automation or analysis. These are practical skills you can apply immediately in your daily finance work. Key Excel tools covered. Let's briefly review the tools you'll be using. Text to columns. Text to columns is used to split combined data into separate fields. For example, you might use it to separate first and last names. Extract invoice numbers from a description field. Split dates or codes that are combined in one column. This helps create a clean, structured dataset where each column contains one type of information. Remove duplicates. Remove duplicates helps you identify and eliminate duplicate records. Duplicate data is a common cause of incorrect reports, reconciliation problems, inconsistent totals. By removing duplicates, you improve data accuracy and reliability. Filters. Filters allow you to quickly scan your data and identify potential issues. You can use filters to find missing or blank values, identify unusual or inconsistent entries, focus on specific subsets of data for review. Filters are one of the simplest yet most powerful tools for data quality checks. Why this matters? This exercise demonstrates an important point. Meaningful data preparation does not require advanced software or technical expertise. It requires attention to detail, consistency, and good data habits. By mastering these basic Excel tools, you lay the foundation for successful automation and AI initiatives.